Welcome back. In this class, we will compare strings and lists. When we initialize the string, we mention it inside the quotation marks, and the list we put it inside the square bracket, and each element is separated with comma here. When we access the element, we mention the index number inside the square bracket with the name of list or string. This is similarity. Slicing is applicable on both strings and lists. Operators: concatenating plus replicating, multiplication, membership operator in and not in, and all the relational operator works on both strings and lists. Functions: len, index, count, max and min works on both. Insert, remove, pop, append, clear, extend, reverse and sort works only on the lists. There are few functions which is especially for the strings, that is changing the cases and checking the cases, stripping the string and find. All these works only on the strings. At last, but which is most important to understand, that strings are always immutable. That means members of string cannot be changed. But at the same time, lists are mutable, where we can change the member of the list, or we can decrease, increase, we can do anything with the lists. Let us meet in the next class with a new topic starting with tuple. Thank you.